Hi friends, I am Devasheesh. Here is my firework stash of 2018. It is of total 700 rupees, and here is the bill. Now first I'll show you my Anil K the Shivam. Now I'm opening it for you. There are, as you can see, there are many tapes. I am removing the tapes from here. Here goes off the tapes. You can see the seals also of Anil. I'll cut these also off. We don't need them. And here the seal is cut. Now it is same as this box. Now I'll show you. There are total 10 pieces in it, as you can see. Now I'll show you one piece. Okay. Here is this piece. As you can see, here is the fuse from which you light it, and it burns very loudly. You will like it. I prefer you to buy this bum. It's very good. See, like this. Now this is the look. Now I'll tell you. This is my Anil ka chote wali ladi. I'll tell you the prices later. First I'll show you. As you can see, this was the tape. I cut it off, and here comes the ladi. Have a look. Now I'm taking out one for you guys. See, it's packed very nicely. Now here it comes out. Here is one piece of Anil. You light it from here. First I tell you, when you burn this, open this batti, light this. Little bit I am showing you. Remove the batti from here. And here comes this batti. You light from here so that it burns slowly. And now I'll show you my next cracker. This is as same as that. Now this is my sky shot. This is Anil sky shot. As you can see, it is nicely wrapped with polythene. Here is the process by which you sort of burn it. It is written in that place the level surface, remove the paper belt and straighten the fuse before lighting. इसमें do not use matchstick, naked flame to light the fuse. Use lightly lightened sparkles, lighten the fuse and get away. Shots 7 red color balls with sound, as you can see here. Now I am opening it for you. See, it's very nicely packed. Now as you can see, Here now, as you can see, here is it comes out. It is coming out now. Take it out for you. Wait a minute. Here comes the sky shots. As you can see, there are 5 pieces in that. I'll show you one. See, here is this sky shot. As you can see, it looks like this, and here is the fuse. Now I'll show you the fuse clearly. You will place it like this and you will burn this from here. When you burn this, light it and then run away fast. Kids, do not try to burn it. It's not for you. And kids should not burn these also. Very dangerous. You can burn fire, anar and all that stuff. Now, by the way, friends, I bought these two because I didn't get the big roll. So, I'll show you these. It's one garland of 200 rupees. Yeah, the brand is Paris Garland. Shri Ashirwais Seahorse brand. Shri Ashirwai Fireworks Shiv Kashi. Shiv Kasi ki hai ye. As you can see, it's packed very nicely. Now I'll open it for you. Here comes the wrapper out. Now here is it. It comes out. Now I'll show you. It's a very big love. As you can see, I need a paper. As you can see, it's a very big love. I'll put it in my hand so that you can actually see the size of this. Yeah, again the same process. When you light it, yeah, it's this much big. And when you light it, remove the fuse like that. I'll show you one more. Wait a minute. I'll show you the opening the fuse. I'm opening the fuse. Yeah, as you can see, the little bit fuse has come out. Now you light it from here. It will take time and you can run off easily. The children can burn them, but be careful, children. Yeah. So I move on to the next circle. It's the same as it is. Now I move to this big bomb. Now, as you can see, it's it is of Turkey brand, Murga Chap. Now I'll open it for you. It is sealed. I'll open the stapler from here. As you can see, it is also very nicely packed. Yeah. Now I'm opening this also. See. This bomb is not recommended for small children. Elders can burn it of 17 to 18 years, and more than that, no problem. I'll show you one bomb. It has the lagbhag 100 bombs in it. As you can see, it's written also 100 bomb. Front is this side and from back side it looks like this. Now, when you burn this, first peel off is this batti. Now, peeling off the batti, the fuse, I'm doing it for you little bit, so that time when you burn it, The fuse has to be taken out. Now when you take out the fuse, now the fuse comes here of this. Okay, as you can see, this is the fuse. You light it and run away very fast. The sound is very good. I prefer using this. Now this was my whole firework stash. Now I'll tell you the rates. This thing which I showed you, choti wali ladi, it is of 2 ladi is of 90 rupees, and 2 boxes of this whole is of 180 rupees. Now this is one Rassi Bum of Anil. It's of 180 rupees for 2 and 90 rupees for 1. And Choti Wali Ladi, I told you the price 160 for 2 and 80 for 1. Now I'm telling you for 7 sky shot. Yeah, where's my 7 sky shot? Yeah, I opened it for you, na? This was the sky shot. Now the price of this is 123 whole box. Now you can calculate the price of one if you want to. 200 wali ladi. Yeah, I showed you, na? There are 2 in 1 packet, by the way, as if you have seen it. Now it was my whole firework stash. If you like it, please subscribe and please click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.